drafting feature is something that the entire team is very proud of. So basically, when you have your LinkedIn post drafting model window open, you will see these widgets that have been added by ConnectGenie. These are some of the default templates in which you can input some information so that ConnectGenie can write the post accordingly. Company updates, hiring, personal milestone, thought leadership. But these templates are not the only ones. You can always write a LinkedIn post about a topic of your choice by clicking on this plus icon, mentioning the topic summary in one line, and then any details that you would like to mention in the in that LinkedIn post. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to use company updates as the template and input some information over here. All right, so I have added the information. The company name is ConnectGenie AI. Update summary launched a new feature which helps LinkedIn users write posts that with the help of AI, but it has a unique aspect. AI could mimic users' writing style, keeping the human aspect intact. Since this post that I'm trying to write is actually about this feature, so instead of going through these details, I'm just going to go to the settings so that I can let you know what this feature actually offers. So you can write the post in 12 different languages. You can use different tones. Word count is self-explanatory. Hook and meet. This actually is a very unique aspect. Basically, every LinkedIn post has a hook and then a meet. Basically, hook is the part that comes before the see more cutoff button, and the meet is the more informative part which comes after the see more button. When you have have these settings on in this feature, then the post that will be generated by ConnectGenie will be in two different parts. You will see when it gets generated. And then we are also using the same persona that we had defined while elaborating the commenting feature that we defined, founder at ConnectGenie AI. So we will see that the writing style will be influenced by this persona. So let's generate the post. All right, so the post has been written. So you see that there is a hook and then there is the more informative part, meet. So hook is the part, as I explained before. Ever wondered if AI could mimic your writing style, keeping the human aspect intact? And then the rest of the post. The post I have analyzed, it is actually written, it has been influenced by my persona, like it is writing everything that I wanted it to write exactly to the point. Let's inject it. Now, we did not stop over here with this feature. We also have something else to show. Here, you can click on this button to preview how your post would look like if you would like to see even before you post it. So you click over here and you will see, click this, that this is the part that is before the see more, and you can click and see how it would look like. You can even add some picture. I'll just add it over here, and you will see that the picture will be also added, and you can view it in different different device formats like mobile, tablet, and computer. So this is this feature is about.